ようこそ。今日のあなたは、空港から飛行機に乗って海外へ。搭乗手続きから入国審査まで、画面で使う英語を考えながら身につけましょう。聞こえたら、なんて言ったか考えてみてください。では、出発です。ステージ1、チェックインです。まずはカウンターで搭乗手続きをしましょう。
I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please.
チェックインをお願いします。
Here's my passport. Here's my passport. Here's my passport.
パスポートはこちらです。
Here's my booking confirmation. Here's my booking confirmation. Here's my booking confirmation.
予約確認書はこちらです。
I'm flying to London. I'm flying to London. I'm flying to London.
ロンドンへ行きます。
Which counter is for this flight? Which counter is for this flight? Which counter is for this flight?
この便はどのカウンターですか？
Can I get a window seat? Can I get a window seat? Can I get a window seat?
窓側の席にできますか？
Can I get an aisle seat? Can I get an aisle seat? Can I get an aisle seat?
通路側の席にできますか？
Could we sit together? Could we sit together? Could we sit together?
一緒の席にできますか？
Is the flight on time? Is the flight on time? Is the flight on time?
この便は定刻通りですか？
What time is boarding? What time is boarding? What time is boarding?
搭乗は何時ですか？
Which gate is it? Which gate is it? Which gate is it?
ゲートはどこですか？
Can I change my seat? Can I change my seat? Can I change my seat?
席を変更できますか？
Is there an earlier flight? Is there an earlier flight? Is there an earlier flight?
もっと早い便はありますか？
How many bags can I check in? How many bags can I check in? How many bags can I check in?
荷物は何個預けられますか？
Do I need to print my ticket? Do I need to print my ticket? Do I need to print my ticket?
チケットは印刷が必要ですか？
Can I have a paper boarding pass? Can I have a paper boarding pass? Can I have a paper boarding pass?
紙の搭乗券をもらえますか？
Is this flight full? Is this flight full? Is this flight full?
この便は満席ですか？
Thank you, that's all. Thank you, that's all. Thank you, that's all.
ありがとう。以上です。ステージ2、荷物です。預け入れや持ち込みについて、はっきり伝えましょう。
I have one bag to check in. I have one bag to check in. I have one bag to check in.
預ける荷物が一つあります。
How much is the baggage fee? How much is the baggage fee? How much is the baggage fee?
荷物の料金はいくらですか？
Is my bag overweight? Is my bag overweight? Is my bag overweight?
荷物は重量オーバーですか？
What's the weight limit? What's the weight limit? What's the weight limit?
重量制限はどのくらいですか？
Can I carry this on? Can I carry this on? Can I carry this on?
これは持ち込めますか？
Is this too big for carry-on? Is this too big for carry-on? Is this too big for carry-on?
これは機内持ち込みには大きすぎますか？
This bag is fragile. This bag is fragile. This bag is fragile.
この荷物は壊れ物です。
Could you put a fragile tag on it? Could you put a fragile tag on it? Could you put a fragile tag on it?
壊れ物のタグをつけてもらえますか？
Will my bags go straight through? Will my bags go straight through? Will my bags go straight through?
荷物は乗り継ぎ先まで届きますか？
Do I pick up my bag at the transfer? Do I pick up my bag at the transfer? Do I pick up my bag at the transfer?
乗り継ぎで荷物を受け取りますか？
Can I add another bag? Can I add another bag? Can I add another bag?
もう一つ荷物を追加できますか？
Is there a fee for extra weight? Is there a fee for extra weight? Is there a fee for extra weight?
超過分は料金がかかりますか？
Can I take this liquid on board? Can I take this liquid on board? Can I take this liquid on board?
この液体は持ち込めますか？
Where do I drop off my bag? Where do I drop off my bag? Where do I drop off my bag?
荷物はどこで預けますか？
Could I have a luggage tag? Could I have a luggage tag? Could I have a luggage tag?
荷物タグをもらえますか？
My bag has a battery inside. My bag has a battery inside. My bag has a battery inside.
荷物の中にバッテリーが入っています。
Can I keep my laptop with me? Can I keep my laptop with me? Can I keep my laptop with me?
ノートパソコンは手元に置けますか？
Please handle it with care. Please handle it with care. Please handle it with care.
丁寧に扱ってください。ステージ3、保安検査です。スムーズに通れるよう、指示を聞き取りましょう。
Do I take off my shoes? Do I take off my shoes? Do I take off my shoes?
靴は脱ぎますか？
Should I take out my laptop? Should I take out my laptop? Should I take out my laptop?
ノートパソコンは出しますか？
Do I remove my belt? Do I remove my belt? Do I remove my belt?
ベルトは外しますか？
Where do I put my bag? Where do I put my bag? Where do I put my bag?
荷物はどこに置きますか？
Is this liquid okay? Is this liquid okay? Is this liquid okay?
この液体は大丈夫ですか？
Can I keep my jacket on? Can I keep my jacket on? Can I keep my jacket on?
上着は着たままでいいですか？
I have a laptop in my bag. I have a laptop in my bag. I have a laptop in my bag.
カバンにノートパソコンが入っています。
These are my medications. These are my medications. These are my medications.
これは私の薬です。
Do I need to take this out? Do I need to take this out? Do I need to take this out?
これは取り出す必要がありますか？
Is it okay to bring water? Is it okay to bring water? Is it okay to bring water?
水は持ち込んでいいですか？
I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare.
申告するものはありません。
Can I go through now? Can I go through now? Can I go through now?
もう通っていいですか？
Where do I collect my things? Where do I collect my things? Where do I collect my things?
荷物はどこで受け取りますか？
Sorry, I forgot to take this out. Sorry, I forgot to take this out. Sorry, I forgot to take this out.
すみません。出し忘れました。
Is there a faster lane? Is there a faster lane? Is there a faster lane?
もっと早い列はありますか？
Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please?
手伝ってもらえますか？
Am I in the right line? Am I in the right line? Am I in the right line?
この列で合っていますか？
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
助けてくれてありがとう。ステージ4、登場です。ゲートでのやり取りと案内を聞き取りましょう。
Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12?
12番ゲートはどこですか？
Is this the gate for London? Is this the gate for London? Is this the gate for London?
これはロンドン行きのゲートですか？
Has boarding started? Has boarding started? Has boarding started?
搭乗は始まっていますか？
Is the flight delayed? Is the flight delayed? Is the flight delayed?
この便は遅れていますか？
How long is the delay? How long is the delay? How long is the delay?
どのくらい遅れていますか？
Can I board now? Can I board now? Can I board now?
もう搭乗できますか？
Which group is boarding? Which group is boarding? Which group is boarding?
今どのグループが搭乗中ですか？
Here's my boarding pass. Here's my boarding pass. Here's my boarding pass.
搭乗券はこちらです。
Is there time to use the restroom? Is there time to use the restroom? Is there time to use the restroom?
トイレに行く時間はありますか？
Where can I charge my phone? Where can I charge my phone? Where can I charge my phone?
スマホはどこで充電できますか？
Did they change the gate? Did they change the gate? Did they change the gate?
ゲートは変更になりましたか？
I think I'm at the wrong gate. I think I'm at the wrong gate. I think I'm at the wrong gate.
ゲートを間違えたかもしれません。
Can I take this bag on board? Can I take this bag on board? Can I take this bag on board?
この荷物は機内に持ち込めますか？
Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here?
ここに無料 Wi-Fi はありますか？
When does boarding close? When does boarding close? When does boarding close?
搭乗は何時に締め切りますか？
I'm a little late. Can I still board? I'm a little late. Can I still board? I'm a little late. Can I still board?
少し遅れましたが、まだ乗れますか？
Could you announce it in English? Could you announce it in English? Could you announce it in English?
英語でもアナウンスしてもらえますか？
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ありがとう。良い一日を。ステージ5、機内です。客室乗務員への頼み方や、席回りの英語を覚えましょう。
Excuse me. This is my seat. Excuse me. This is my seat. Excuse me. This is my seat.
すみません。ここは私の席です。
Could you help me with my bag? Could you help me with my bag? Could you help me with my bag?
荷物をあげるのを手伝ってもらえますか？
Could I have some water? Could I have some water? Could I have some water?
お水をもらえますか？
Could I get a blanket? Could I get a blanket? Could I get a blanket?
ブランケットをもらえますか？
What drinks do you have? What drinks do you have? What drinks do you have?
飲み物は何がありますか？
I'll have the chicken, please. I'll have the chicken, please. I'll have the chicken, please.
チキンをお願いします。
Is there a vegetarian meal? Is there a vegetarian meal? Is there a vegetarian meal?
ベジタリアン用の食事はありますか？
Could I have some headphones? Could I have some headphones? Could I have some headphones?
ヘッドホンをもらえますか？
How do I turn on the light? How do I turn on the light? How do I turn on the light?
ライトはどうやってつけますか？
Could you help me recline my seat? Could you help me recline my seat? Could you help me recline my seat?
席を倒すのを手伝ってもらえますか？
May I change my seat? May I change my seat? May I change my seat?
席を移ってもいいですか？
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
お手洗いはどこですか？
Could I get a customs form? Could I get a customs form? Could I get a customs form?
税関の用紙をもらえますか？
I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
気分が良くないです。
What time do we land? What time do we land? What time do we land?
何時に着きますか？
Could you wake me for the meal? Could you wake me for the meal? Could you wake me for the meal?
食事の時起こしてもらえますか？
Is there a charger for my phone? Is there a charger for my phone? Is there a charger for my phone?
スマホの充電はできますか？
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
どうもありがとう。ステージ6、乗り継ぎです。トラブルや遅延の時の伝え方を覚えましょう。
Where do I catch my connecting flight? Where do I catch my connecting flight? Where do I catch my connecting flight?
乗り継ぎ便はどこで乗りますか？
I have a connecting flight. I have a connecting flight. I have a connecting flight.
乗り継ぎ便があります。
My flight was delayed. My flight was delayed. My flight was delayed.
便が遅れました。
I think I'll miss my connection. I think I'll miss my connection. I think I'll miss my connection.
乗り継ぎに間に合わないかもしれません。
My flight was cancelled. My flight was cancelled. My flight was cancelled.
便が欠航になりました。
Can you put me on the next flight? Can you put me on the next flight? Can you put me on the next flight?
次の便に振り替えてもらえますか？
How long is the layover? How long is the layover? How long is the layover?
乗り継ぎ時間はどのくらいですか？
Do I need to go through security again? Do I need to go through security again? Do I need to go through security again?
もう一度保安検査が必要ですか？
Where is the transfer desk? Where is the transfer desk? Where is the transfer desk?
乗り継ぎカウンターはどこですか？
Will you cover the hotel? Will you cover the hotel? Will you cover the hotel?
ホテル代は出してもらえますか？
Can I get a meal voucher? Can I get a meal voucher? Can I get a meal voucher?
食事券はもらえますか？
Where can I rebook my flight? Where can I rebook my flight? Where can I rebook my flight?
どこで予約を取り直せますか？
Is there a lounge I can use? Is there a lounge I can use? Is there a lounge I can use?
使えるラウンジはありますか？
My bag didn't make the transfer. My bag didn't make the transfer. My bag didn't make the transfer.
荷物が乗り継ぎに間に合いませんでした。
Which terminal is my next flight? Which terminal is my next flight? Which terminal is my next flight?
次の便はどのターミナルですか？
How do I get to the other terminal? How do I get to the other terminal? How do I get to the other terminal?
別のターミナルへはどう行きますか？
Could you write down the gate? Could you write down the gate? Could you write down the gate?
ゲートを書いてもらえますか？
Thank you for sorting this out. Thank you for sorting this out. Thank you for sorting this out.
対応してくれてありがとう。ステージ7、入国審査です。質問をよく聞いて、落ち着いて答えましょう。
Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Here is my passport.
パスポートはこちらです。
I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation.
観光できました。
I'm here for business. I'm here for business. I'm here for business.
仕事できました。
I'll stay for 1 week. I'll stay for 1 week. I'll stay for 1 week.
1週間滞在します。
I'm staying at a hotel. I'm staying at a hotel. I'm staying at a hotel.
ホテルに泊まります。
This is my first visit. This is my first visit. This is my first visit.
今回が初めての訪問です。
I'm traveling alone. I'm traveling alone. I'm traveling alone.
一人で旅行しています。
I'm traveling with my family. I'm traveling with my family. I'm traveling with my family.
家族と一緒に旅行しています。
Here's my return ticket. Here's my return ticket. Here's my return ticket.
帰りのチケットはこちらです。
Here's my hotel reservation. Here's my hotel reservation. Here's my hotel reservation.
ホテルの予約はこちらです。
I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare.
申告するものはありません。
Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
もう一度言ってもらえますか？
Sorry, I didn't understand. Sorry, I didn't understand. Sorry, I didn't understand.
すみません。わかりませんでした。
Could you speak slowly? Could you speak slowly? Could you speak slowly?
ゆっくり話してもらえますか？
Where do I get my bags? Where do I get my bags? Where do I get my bags?
荷物はどこで受け取りますか？
Is there anything else you need? Is there anything else you need? Is there anything else you need?
他に必要なものはありますか？
Here's my address in the city. Here's my address in the city. Here's my address in the city.
滞在先の住所はこちらです。
Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer.
ありがとうございます。ステージ8、荷物受け取りと税関です。最後まで落ち着いて、空港を出ましょう。
Where is the baggage claim? Where is the baggage claim? Where is the baggage claim?
手荷物受取書はどこですか？
Which carousel is for my flight? Which carousel is for my flight? Which carousel is for my flight?
私の便はどのターンテーブルですか？
My suitcase hasn't come out. My suitcase hasn't come out. My suitcase hasn't come out.
スーツケースが出てきません。
I think my bag is lost. I think my bag is lost. I think my bag is lost.
荷物が見当たりません。
My bag is damaged. My bag is damaged. My bag is damaged.
荷物が壊れています。
Where do I report a lost bag? Where do I report a lost bag? Where do I report a lost bag?
荷物の紛失はどこで届けますか？
Here's my baggage tag. Here's my baggage tag. Here's my baggage tag.
荷物の控えはこちらです。
Can you deliver it to my hotel? Can you deliver it to my hotel? Can you deliver it to my hotel?
ホテルに届けてもらえますか？
I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare.
申告するものはありません。
I have something to declare. I have something to declare. I have something to declare.
申告するものがあります。
These are gifts. These are gifts. These are gifts.
これらは贈り物です。
It's for personal use. It's for personal use. It's for personal use.
個人で使うものです。
Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Where is the exit?
出口はどこですか？
Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi?
タクシーはどこで乗れますか？
Where is the train to the city? Where is the train to the city? Where is the train to the city?
市内へ行く電車はどこですか？
Is there an ATM nearby? Is there an ATM nearby? Is there an ATM nearby?
近くに ATM はありますか？
Where can I exchange money? Where can I exchange money? Where can I exchange money?
両替はどこでできますか？
Thank you, that's everything. Thank you, that's everything. Thank you, that's everything.
ありがとう。以上です。お疲れ様でした。これであなたも空港でも飛行機でも困りません。聞き取れなかったフレーズはもう一度この動画でチャンネル登録して次の旅へ